Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build motivation with Beelinguapp, complete guide step by step. To build motivation with Beelinguapp, start by downloading the app from your preferred app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account. Explore the language options available to choose the one you want to learn. Select a story or text that interests you. Read the text in your native language alongside the translated version. Pay attention to the vocabulary and phrases that catch your eye. Listen to the audio while following along with the text. Pause the audio to repeat phrases for better retention. Use the built-in dictionary feature to look up unfamiliar words. Take notes on new vocabulary and expressions you encounter. Set daily goals for the amount of reading and listening you'll accomplish. Track your progress within the app to visualize your improvement. Engage with interactive quizzes and exercises to reinforce what you've learned. Join community forums to share experiences and tips with other learners. Stay consistent with your practice by incorporating Beelinguapp into your daily routine. Celebrate small achievements to keep your motivation high. Adjust your learning strategies as needed to maintain interest and challenge yourself. Utilize the app's resources to deepen your understanding of the language. Remember that motivation can fluctuate, so be patient with your learning journey. Building motivation takes time, but with Beelinguapp, you have the tools to succeed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.